You might be asking yourself, what are the roles of a data analyst? What do they do? In this class, we are going to look at the 8 roles of a data analyst. Okay? What do they do? The first role of a data analyst is data collection. First of all, you are going to collect the data before you can use the data. Secondly, you do data cleaning. In case there are missing data, you are meant to what? Clean your data up. Okay? Remove the anomalies. Thirdly, you are meant to do the analysis of the clean data. Okay? That is data analysis. After you finish with your analysis, you need to visualize the data. Okay? That is data visualization. Next, once you finish the visualization, you must learn to do reports. Okay? That is reporting. 5 is reporting your finding. Once you report your finding, the management or whoever that is going to use the report, you need to support that person. So 6, decision support. Once everything is done, you now have your information stored in the database. So you need to continuously do what? The storage of the information, the management of the information, and so on and so forth. That is called database management. Okay? Finally, is collaboration. You need to collaborate with other departments. Depends on what the report is saying, or for some other business assistance. Okay? So, lastly, but not compulsory, is collaboration. Collaboration. So, these are the 8 roles of a data analyst. Now, I want us to look at each of these one after the other, okay? So that you understand deeper what each of these roles is meant to what? Fulfill. First is what? Data collection. Data collection. What skill do you need for this? The skill you need. The skill is you must be proficient in data sourcing and retrieval. Be proficient with what? Data sourcing data, getting data, and retrieving data in many ways, okay? So the skill you need is data sourcing and retrieval. Okay? What is the meaning of this? That is finding and gathering data from different places. Like you get your data from website, you get your data from where? From databases. Depends on the location of the data you are looking for, okay? The tools you will need for this, tools are SQL. You need SQL, APIs, different APIs, web scraping tools, web scraping tools. Tools like what? Tools like Beautiful Soup. Beautiful Soup. Or another tool called Scrapy. These are the tools you need for data collection and many other tools. These are some of them. So if you want to be proficient in this, what do? If you want to be proficient with this, you must understand how to source data. You must understand data sourcing, okay? That is you. what you should read, topics you should read when you are reading. You must understand API management. API management. Okay? Also, you must understand web scraping techniques. Web scraping techniques. Okay? Data collection. Okay? The next one is data cleaning. You need to clean the data. Data cleaning. What skill do you need? The skill you need here is attention to details for accuracy. Attention to details for accuracy. You are meant to make sure that what? The data is correct. By what? Fixing mistakes in the data. You are meant to fix the mistakes in the data. Also, aside mistakes, you are meant to fill missing part. You fill missing parts. Okay? Finally, you remove things that don't belong to this particular data you are working with. For instance, you are working with 2, 4, you see A, 10. What is A doing there? You are meant to what? To remove all these anomalies data. Okay? So what tool you need here? Tool you need here, that is the tools are Excel. You need Python, particularly pandas. Pandas will assist you to do most of this thing. You also need R. Okay? If you want to study the topics for this data cleaning are data pre-processing. Data pre-processing. Okay? Hardly missing data. You must know how to handle missing data. Finally, data transformation. Okay? These are the topics you should get yourself abreast with, okay? For data cleaning. Hope you understand this too. Let's go further. Now, data analysis 3. Data analysis. For data analysis, the skill that you need is statistical analysis. Statistical analysis. The data is cleaned. You need to understand statistical analysis to do this. Another one is logical reasoning. Okay? So what do I mean by this? That is, you need to use numbers and logical thinking to figure out what the data is telling you or telling us. And also to find trends. That is, you need to find what the data is telling us, because the data is what? Telling us. And also trend or patterns in the data. These are the two major things you are looking for. What is this data telling me? Are there patterns in the data? So you need to look for trends in the data and also check if there are patterns in the data. If you do your work very well, you will see that the data is speaking a language to you, telling you something about what is going on. There's a language that will be speaking to you. And possibly, you might find patterns or trends which are used to make informed decisions. Okay? The tools that you need here R, Python. For this, you need NumPy for the analysis. You also need, it's not a must, SciencePy. Also SPSS. SPSS can also tell you, especially those that are doing their PhD, master's, research, you will see that you use SPSS a lot. So the topics you need to go for are descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics. Okay? Another skill that is very vital here is hypothesis testing. You test hypothesis. Finally, you should understand regression analysis. Regression analysis. Let's look at data visualization. Data visualization. That is the fourth one. Okay? What are the skills? Creative design. Creative design. You must be good in design to make sure that what your report is pleasant. Okay? Also, effective communication. Effective communication strategy. Okay? So you need to turn complex data into chart. That's what you need to do here. Into charts, into graphs, which will make it easy for everyone to understand. Okay? To make it easy for everyone to understand your analysis. Okay? The tools that are important here, tools, are Tableau, Power BI. Python can also help you using this library called matplotlib. The matplotlib, also Seaborn. These two libraries will help you to visualize. So, if you want to study, you go for data storytelling. Data storytelling. Okay? Visualization principle. You understand visualization principle. Also, dashboard designs. Dashboard design. Okay? These are what you need other data visualization. Okay? Next is reporting. Next is reporting. Number 5, reporting. What skills do you need here? The skill you need here is clear and concise writing and presentation skill. Okay? Very important. Clear and concise writing and presentation skills. With this, you'll be able to explain the data thoroughly for others to understand with ease. Okay? That is your reporting skill. The tools that will help you here are Google Data Studio. This will help you. Microsoft PowerPoint, PPT. PowerPoint will assist you. Also, Crystal Reporting. Crystal Report. These 3 tools will help you in your report. And if you want to go for topics to study, you should go for report writing, data presentation, and also stakeholder communication. know how to communicate with your stakeholders, to understand the report, to accept the report, and to work with the report. Hope you understand this. Okay, let's go for the next one. That is decision support. Number 6, decision support. What skills do you need here? The skill you need here is analytical decision making. Analytical decision making. Okay? Using data to make important decisions. You can assist, suggest decision to the management. Okay? Using data to make important business decision. That is important business decision. What tools do you need? The tools. You need Excel tool. Excel will help you. Also, advanced BI tool. That is advanced business BI tool. Or software. Advanced BI softwares. If you want to study topics, you should go for a business analytics. Performance metric. Performance metrics. Also risk assessment. Now, once you know this, remember database management. The skill you need here. The skill you need here are database design and security principle to secure your data. So you need to know how to organize data in your databases and make sure the data are safe. They are also what? Structured, okay? They are what? Structured properly. The tools that will help you here are SQL. You need MongoDB. I have courses on SQL and MongoDB in Udemy. Very powerful courses. Microsoft SQL Server will also help you. Any SQL tool will help you here, okay? It depends on the one you choose to use. And if you want to go for topics, the topics you go for here is database architecture, data integrity, SQL optimization, database architecture, data integrity, and SQL optimization. Finally, collaboration. The skill you need here is team collaboration and communication. Okay? So you must learn to work with others and communicate effectively to achieve what? The group or the organizational goal. What tools do you need? The tools you need here are Slack. You need Slack. Slack can help you. Even Microsoft MS Team. Microsoft Team can help you. Asana can also help you for your collaboration. And if you want to go for topics, you can go for team dynamics. You read them up, project management. Also, effective communication. Very important to effectively communicate with your colleagues. Okay? So with all these 8, you are what? A good data analyst. You are very good in all these modules. You become a full-fledged, correct guy, correct data analyst. Hope you understand this. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much for your time and for listening. Bye.